On this gorgeous October morning, Karen and I went to go watch our nephew play soccer, and then we went antiquing, and it was so much fun. Some of us had a little more fun than others, and
There
you
she
won't
is.
believe it,
Sixth grade.
my nephews found my 6th grade yearbook. We are headed to go antiquing. We've got our niece and her 2 kids with us.
Hi.
What's this road called? We're gonna walk in circles following Sarah. He's the leader. Follow the leader.
I was gonna say you're placing a lot of trust in that front person.
It's cute. Owls. Yes, they do. Those are cute. I like them. Rolling pin. Oh, cool. There's a zillion over here, but you probably already know that. Sarah. I like that painting. This one. Sarah found owls. Those are cute. Does that look like an owl cookie? Yes, it does. And that was not me. She needs some help.
Please. George Strait. Kenny Rogers.
Oh, Nancy had that.
I know. I just turned around and there it was, and there it went. Thank you guys for helping me.
This is the cat hammock.
It looks like a cat hammock. Orange and brown. Ooh, even more so, I had the picture that went with this, Cal.
Yeah, it is.
Are you sure you don't need to take this home with you?
Really cute.
It has a strap. Okay, what do we think this is?
Yearbook.
Cool.
Yep.
I don't know.
I think this is the one.
Yes, this is the one.
Ugh.
Keep going. Where's the kid? There she is.
The worst picture in the world. 6th grade.
We have that book,
We do have that book.
but this is the teacher's edition.
Oh, looky there. That's cool.
Tuesday's ironing. Wednesday's mending.
Mending.
Thursday is, I don't know.
Packing a picnic basket.
Maybe. Friday is cleaning.
Cleaning.
And Saturday is wash day.
Wash day. Hey, that was fun. We got a book. Sarah got an owl. And we're headed to the next one. smile.
There's more dogs.
Oh my goodness, hi doggies.
It's another Frank dog. Hello. Oh my goodness, hi.
Aww. Hi cutie pie.
Let's make the day a barrel of fun. Growing up is just a trap. Don't it seem like a drag? Like putting all of your joy in a big brown bag. I won't listen to any of that jazz. No, I'll never grow up. Growing up is just a big fat trap. I take pride in never working a day. Can't see the use of it anyway. Who can think I'm such a load of crap? Growing up is just a trap.
Karen, it's these.
The guy was walking like this.
Oh, this is actually cute. Not that I want that, but it's cute. I need the Xander cat. What am I looking at? Oh, those are cute. Those are really cute. I know. Look at the orange. Oh, that's neat.
Growing up is just a trap.
That is adorable.
And then there's the Monday through Friday thing again.
Kitschy old Florida.
Baby, when we met, I was kinda lonely.
Need to get your dad a John Deere, not you. Yeah.
I had lost my groove, no one there to hold me.
Alright, so we're done there, and Sarah says
We're gonna go to the Red Rooster now. That place had a lot of good stuff. It did.
well, when I first went through the first pass, I was like, nah, there's nothing. And then
surface level, I was like, nothing.
I was like, okay, nothing. And then we went back and I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I like this.
So turn it up, don't ever stop. It's how you do it.
Okay, that's it. I'm telling you that. Your password's
Oh, that is incorrect. Oh, there's a spider for a second. Ew.
Grant told everyone my password.
Get your head out of my armpit. You're on camera.
The way you pull me near and whisper in that sweet voice. Just like you wanted, just like you pull me through. And I just love to hear you walking through the door now. You came along.
Sarah, looking at this funny thing. This is cute. Oh. Well, it smells like Jake's house, according to the boys, so.
It makes me think of my house. Months ago.
Oops. I just tripped over nothing.
Stained glass.
Was there wasps?
It's gone though. Stained glass.
Where? Well,
I'm trapped.
you did. This is the cottage at Chloe and Red Rooster.
Well, I like this house. Little kitchen upstairs over there.
the crow.
Oh, that crow's cute. Yeah.
I might just buy this crow for $5.
I think it's adorable.
They had some really cool things that they were neat.
More stained glass.
The deal is I want this, but brand new.
This house, yes, I want this, but brand new.
This would be brand new.
Look at this
No
funny
plumbing,
crow.
no
I like him.
foundation,
I'm going to get him. I do too. I want a house just like this. Yeah.
According to Grant, that clock looks like John Cena. Nice.
I like this door. Where we should get this door. Zoop.
Doors, garage, like a ton.
A flutterby.
People knew her by her will to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee, strangers talking about revenue.
This is what I want. I don't want to carry this around.
Karen just found something for her bedroom, which is like the finishing touches. I'll paint it white and it's gonna look really pretty. Ooh, look at that. I like that.
We don't need
Another hutch.
We don't need it.
I like it for a library. A bamboo curtain. Ooh. Look at the mantle fireplace. A pot of tea.
Flashing lights.
Karen, here's your cups, your mugs.
Hey, Kelly, there's some fish plates.
I think the heat's on in here. That's pretty.
Fish.
Pretty-ish. You could paint it.
Right, then it would be adorable.
Half off 160, so I like this. This is like the only thing that drew me in.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling.
Prince Albert in a can. Let him out.
So hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So
That's cool. This.
But everyone's such a bore. And all of a sudden, you came
Remember.
through the door. At the next table, you're whisking me. The lights were dim as our eyes met, and you saw me.
All right, now we're gonna go get some drinks, and that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you liked it, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing. Thanks, guys. Bye. One more kid. Bye. Ooh, it smells good. Smells like coffee. Hello.
How are you guys doing today?
Pretty good.